Hey, I'm Billy with Hawg's Golf Cart here, talking about the Cruze from Edge EV. Cruze is hard to miss on the front, just like the light bars are on the side. This is a pretty unique vehicle, very robust, comes with all sorts of features. A really nice high back. It's got a good bit of leg room in here. Overall, just a different look, a different feel. Again, this is the Cruze from Edge EV, available here at Hawg's Golf Cart in Bluffton, Savannah, and Richmond Hill.